In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your metapixel to Typeform if you want to track conversions more accurately and understand what happens after someone submits your form. Connecting your metapixel is a simple and useful step. This setup helps send form activity to Meta so you can measure results, improve reporting, and support your ad campaigns with better event tracking. To begin, you'll first need your Pixel ID from Meta Business Manager. This is the unique ID connected to the pixel you want to use for tracking. Make sure you copy the correct Pixel ID before moving on, since Typeform will need that exact value to establish the connection. If you manage multiple pixels, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the one associated with the right business account or campaign. Once you have that ready, open Typeform and go to the form you want to work with. From there, navigate to the Connect section, then choose Analytics and select Meta Pixel. This is where you'll link your form to your Meta tracking setup. If you haven't connected it before, you should see the option to start the integration. Click Connect, and when prompted, paste in your Pixel ID. This step creates the direct connection between Typeform and your Meta Pixel. After pasting it in, double check that the number is complete and entered correctly. Even a small typo can prevent the integration from working properly, so it's worth taking an extra second here. Next, map the standard events you want to send when someone submits the form. For example, you might choose an event like lead or complete registration, depending on the purpose of your form. This part is important because it tells Meta how to categorize the submission event. Choose the event that best matches the action a user is taking so your reporting stays accurate and aligned with your marketing goals. Once your event mapping is set up, click Save. That finalizes the integration and stores your settings in Typeform. After saving, it's a good idea to review the connection and make sure everything matches your intended tracking setup. Accurate event mapping can make a big difference when you're analyzing performance or optimizing campaigns later on. And that's it. You've connected your metapixel to Typeform, added your pixel ID, mapped your standard events, and saved the integration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.